In this video, we will learn how to add on-screen keyboard in Windows. So let's start. Go to the start menu and click on this settings icon. Then click on the easy to access option. Then drag down below left hand side and click on the keyboard option. Here the first option, keyboard, make it easier type and use the keyboard shortcut also. Use your device without a physical keyboard. Use the on-screen keyboard just on this, and here you see the keyboard you can use on screen. Okay, you can use the shortcut key for that also. I just close it and press the window logo key plus control plus O. Okay, so this shortcut key you can use for on screen keyboard. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.